Got my tax stamp back for my Glock 19. 2 days short of 10 months since I sent my application forms out. 100 Town Arms. Guardian 9. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, just want to show you how quiet it is. You can hear the quad running in the background. Alright, well, I'm going to try a few shots here. Maybe see if I can hit them beer cans out there. Just see how loud it is. Here we go. Maybe a beer can. Just missing it. A little trickier one-handed. I'm right next to it. Come on, baby. Okay. But you can hear it. Not even making my ears ring. Sounds like a 22. Look at that little group. Put a couple on there before, but last few, not bad. She's quiet. Here's another beer can down there. Gotcha that time. No, wait, that was the water. There's the can. Gotcha again. Not bad. Guess I could try it two-handed. See how that goes from 30 feet. Alright, I like it.